everyone from Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm not going to be here very long today. It's one of those days where I just happen to be in the Orlando area for something not Disney related, and I decided to stop into the parks for just an hour or two. Here at Animal Kingdom, I'm going to check out the Feathered Friends in Flight show. This is not a very popular show, but maybe when you're planning your trip, you want to know, like, should I designate the time to experience this show? And I want to give you all the information you need to make that decision. I think after that, I'm going to do one of the treks. I think the Maharaja Jungle Trek here. Maybe try to see a tiger or two. And then I'm going to head out for the day. Like I said, just a very quick stop at Disney's Animal Kingdom. So join me, it should be fun.
Welcome to Feathered Friends in Flight. My name is Scott.
My name's Corey.
And that was a lot of really fun birds flying around here. And birds, they've been the story in this theater ever since the park's been open, dating all the way back to 1998.
Well, this is our favorite part of every day. We get to come out here, share incredible birds with all of you, and all the very cool adaptations and make them all special, like this one right here. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's count them down. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Yeah!
So we're going to meet an owl named Queddy today. Queddy is a milky eagle owl, one of the largest owl species in the world. Your way. Yeah, he flies pretty low, which is pretty cool. So if you point your cameras at him, we get some great photos of him while he's in flight. But listen to what he sounds like if he's flying around, because odds are you probably won't hear a thing. Well, let's go. Never going to do the rough pro, my friend. We'll see you later. Queddy, the milky eagle owl. This is a super smart bird, same family as that crow that we saw earlier. Here she is now, she's pretty cute, right? And we're going to see what Corey does, and what we'll probably see is a lot of treats being given, because the treats let Kenny know exactly what to do. So, right there, she flew to the rocks, got a treat. So hopefully she'll fly to the rocks and do quicker next time. Well, you can start to tell what these birds are learning, because they realize, hey, this treat here, that's what's going to give me that yes, that yes, keep doing this type of thing. Oh, you just gave her a treat for untying my shoe.
No, she was wandering off, she wasn't paying attention. Stay. Good bird. Okay, just keep it right here.
Alright, well, the thing is, they're going to be a pack for me, right? So, if you see a pack for me, that's probably what they think they get treats for, so they're going to keep doing it. Corey.
Kenny, no.
Why are you giving this bird treats for untying shoes?
Because that was amazing.
Why?
Like 2 reps and she figured out how to do it.
More Kenny, you need to stay away from my shoes. I'm trying to cover them up.
Fine, if you don't like it, Parrots, known for their ability to mimic the sounds around them, right? Well, owl is how they learn to communicate. Listen to their parents, the flockmates, they repeat back everything they've heard, kind of figure out what everybody's saying. But parrots in the home, it's a little different because they're listening to household sounds, the sounds we make. Sometimes they can repeat that back and it will sound illogical, like talking, even though they don't know exactly what we're saying. You know what, I have a very, very talented mimicker here. Thank you, Josh, for bringing him out here. This is Kiwi, he's an African gray parrot. I want to show off how smart he is, but to do that, I'm going to need somebody's help. I need someone between the ages of 8 and 10 years old who want to come up on stage, but they have to be very, very good at math. You know what? In the unicorn ears right there. You want to go ahead and meet Josh by the stairs, right at the end of the stage. He'll bring you up here. I'm going to introduce the rest of you to Kiwi here. So first of all, can you say hello? Just a little tiny hello there. But he and I should tell everyone his full name. Can you tell me your full name? Kiwi Wee Wee. He gave himself a last name. Yeah. But I mentioned the mimickers. They mimic the sounds around him. So Kiwi here knows a good chicken. Nice little chicken, just like that. And apparently he's been elsewhere in the parks because he also knows a pirate. I don't know how to pick that one. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to have a little math competition between you and Kiwi here. All you have to do is answer into your microphone before Kiwi here answers into his, okay? Got it, anyone? Okay, we're gonna get started. We'll start nice and simple, okay? Here we go. All right, Ava, Kiwi, what is 1 plus 3? Pretty quick, wasn't it? Yeah, that was fast. Okay, Ava, let's call that a warm-up. We won't even worry about that one. Get rid of it. Now you know what's going on. You're gonna be ready for the next one, okay? All right, let's try this. Let's do 7 minus 3. Still very quick. That was good though. That was great. But I'm going to slow him down. I'm going to do a little bit harder of a question. Yeah, that'll make it so he has to think about it a little bit more. Okay. Okay. You'll do great. All right. Here we go. Let's try this. Let's do 12 divided by 3. 4. That was close. That was so close. Okay. Anybody having fun up here? You having fun up here? Yeah, good, that's good. Kiwi, you having fun? Okay, he's having fun. Since everybody's having fun, we're gonna do one more question.
Okay.
This is gonna be for the grand prize, winner, take all. Y'all think anyone can do it, right? Yes, he's very quick, but I think he can do it this time. So here we go, for the grand prize. Kiwi, Awen, what is 2 plus 2?
4.
She got it!
11-foot wingspan. I mean, this is a lot of bird right here. Check it out.
Yeah, big bird, but also very big role in the environment. You see, there's some as stop the spread of disease, return nitrogen to the soil. All these birds' nature are recyclers because they're so important with that process.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I knew you were having trouble making that crane connection. I wanted to help you out, so I got you something.
You did?
Yeah, just look behind the rock. You're gonna love it. So, crown cranes known for the crown of feathers on their head. So what I thought, what Scott needs is his own crown.
What is this?
Well, it's a hat. You put it on your head.
Yeah, they don't want to see me wear a hat. They want to see me wear a hat.
Wow, it's like Guy Fieri live on stage. Okay, look, you've got your crown now. You've got your treats. He's gonna look up, see his crane buddy, fly right down. It's gonna be great.
For that, she wouldn't be able to survive on her own in the wild, so she lives here with us. And she acts as an ambassador for her species to share a very important message. It's not long ago, bald eagles like her, they were placed on the endangered species list, and their numbers were dropping so low, so fast, it was feared people would never see these beautiful birds in the wild ever again. Something amazing started to happen. People took notice, and they took action. If they had waterways where bald eagles were fishing, and they stopped using a chemical pesticide called DDT, which is one of the major reasons for their decline.
Yeah, so it's people like all of you that came together to bring the bald eagles back from the brink of extinction.
Exactly right. Everyone's efforts did pay off. The numbers started to climb, and they rose so high, they were taken off the endangered species list. That's an awesome conservation success story, and it goes to show we can do little things around the planet to help save wildlife.
Yeah, absolutely true. Wonderful story. Not the only one out there. We know there's still lots of animals out in the wild that desperately need our help. Like this little bird right here. Zelda, I'm telling them. She's like blue-throated macaw.
Okay, blue-throated macaws. These are some of the rarest species of macaws you can find in the wild. They're only found in Bolivia, and unfortunately, there are less than 300 of them left out there.
And less than 300. That's a scary little number. But it's not all bad news. We're working with an organization called the World Heritage Trust. We're going to breed these blue-throated macaws, then go down to Bolivia. Join in with that wild population, so someday soon, we'll only see skies filled with blue-throated macaws.
right, I decided to pick up a quick lunch here and do the Yak and Yeti quick service in the Asia section of Disney's Animal Kingdom. This is a quinoa burger. It's got pepper jack on it. It comes with an order of fries. After tax, it comes to like $15, so it's a little pricey. I know inside the parks you expect to pay a little more, but you can still sometimes get veggie burgers for $12 or $13, so definitely a little pricey. I will say, sriracha in packets, brilliant, awesome. Love that they have this. I've had a hard time getting hot sauce the last few days, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna put this on even for the first bite. Oh, sriracha is so good. All right, like I said, a quinoa burger. It's already starting to break up in the bun a little bit, but have a nice juicy tomato, some lettuce. And there is also what they call yak sauce, which sounds like it should be gross. That's what I had on the corner of my lip here for a little bit. But it keeps the quinoa burger, you know, quinoa can be a little dry. It keeps it from being too dry. I like it. The multi-grain bun definitely is a flavorful bun. It's not one of those buns that is just there to hold the sandwich together. It brings flavor as well. So I would say overall that I definitely like this burger. I just don't know for $15 if it's worth it. Yak and Yeti, the sit-down restaurant, is right next door. Stuff's a little more expensive in there, but you get a sit-down experience. You're in air conditioning. For a quick service burger, this might be too expensive, but it is quality. So I'll say that about it. a short but fun trip to Disney's Animal Kingdom. We got a nice snack. I really did enjoy that quinoa burger from Yak and Yeti. It was maybe a little bit too expensive, but I do have to remember that it came with a fairly decent sized side order of fries, so I'm not going to be too hard on it. It was really tasty, and they had sriracha in packets. That was really cool. Got to see the tiger on Maharaja Jungle Trek right as they were feeding the tiger. That was awesome. So we got some really good shots of the tiger, and of course just enjoying Disney's Animal Kingdom. Saw the bird show, which honestly I wouldn't recommend unless you're here for a long time, unless you have a lot of time in Animal Kingdom. First, as far as shows here, you have to see the Festival of the Lion King show in the Africa section. After that, the Finding Nemo musical in between Asia and Dinoland USA. But that bird show is way down on the list. It's actually my second favorite bird show here, Winged Encounters, which happens a number of times throughout the day on Discovery Island right in front of the Tree of Life, is really cool as well. Disney's Animal Kingdom is a great theme park, a fun time. You don't ever have to step on a ride if you don't want, but if you do want to ride something, you have Flight of Passage, you have Navi River Journey, Expedition Everest, Kilimanjaro Safari, Dinosaur. These are great Disney rides. Not a lot of rides here, but the ones they have are super quality, and I always have fun here. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.